Hello. I'll wait a few minutes for some people may jump on or not. Okay. I'll get started either way. Today I'm going to do the new Epic Mascara, which is only one-step mascara. And then I'm going to also do the fiber lashes on top of it to see what it looks like. I've seen a couple of people and it seems pretty cool. I just want to do my own to see how I like it. I'm in love with the new one-step mascara right now because this is easy. It only takes a couple of minutes and it gives you that look of the longer and fuller lashes. So I'm in love with this new one. But let's see how it looks with top of with the fiber lashes on top. I'm wondering if it'll be like really epic looking, like huge, long. Hopefully it's a nice day out here in Minnesota. Hopefully it's nice everywhere you guys are. Just very hot lately. Okay, and there's the first coat. I went to the Noka Fair yesterday. That was fun. Fairs are always fun. Always eat that greasy crap. And then next day you feel like sick because all the grease. Boy, it only happens, what, twice a year? Okay, now let's try this fiber stuff. And this is just one eye with just a Epic lash. I love how it does cup. You know, it's fibers. Always rub it off a little bit, that way you don't get loose too much. Start like halfway over your eyelash, just pull upwards, or you can zigzag. Yeah, so next month is Minnesota State Fair. I don't know if you guys go to your state fairs, but it's always fun. Just see what new stuff is out, new food. I don't go to the concerts because they're expensive, but most of the time they're not playing people I care about. And you know, I know the little guy gave my son, he always has a blast because they have the potato sack slide. And he could eat his foot-long corn dog. I always just go for my Chicago dogs since I'm not in Illinois no more. Miss those. Okay, I'm doing another coat of the fibers. There's a lot of good movies coming out. We saw the new Despicable Me or Minion movie, what's they gonna call it. It's cute. They keep me laughing. And then of course the little guy loves it. And let's see what else coming out this year. I know I want to see the new It movie by Stephen King, but I think I'm gonna reread the book. That way I can remember the details a little bit more, because this movie is more of based on the book, unlike the TV show. Okay. It's crazy. Okay. You can see the difference already with just Epic and the fiber lashes. They're a lot longer, thicker. I think I'll be probably using this when I'm going out or on a date night. Because look, my regular lashes, the fiber and the Epic. A little bit more time consuming, but hey, sometimes it's worth the time. Especially just look pretty. Feel pretty. If you guys want to know any more questions, something cool about these fiber lashes I learned that I gotta figure out how to do this. Okay, you see this? It comes in a case like this, but what I learned is it comes off, which is cool. That way you can see how much liquid you got left, and then it just clicks back on, which I thought was awesome. And does the same with the fibers, so you can know how much fibers you got left. I thought that was cool. Well, that's just a little bit of the mascara. If you got questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful Friday. It's Friday. Be happy. Hopefully you guys got the weekend off. Enjoy it. Enjoy the weather. And have a wonderful day.